Hi, Mami Arnie! Happy birthday po sa'yo. We're wishing you more birthdays to celebrate. God bless you always. From your Chai family.
Happy birthday, Arnie. Sana marami pang birthday mo naman sa'yo. Laban lang, kahit wala na si Kuya. Kaya mo yan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Arnie. Ingat kayo palagi na ni Arnie. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Arnie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Arnie. Ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday, Ninang Arnie.
Hello, Arnelyn.
Sorry, di na ako nakapag-video ng maayos. But I have to greet you. Happy birthday. At saka, more blessings sa'yo. More blessings sa family mo. I'm happy to see you na nag-struggle ka to be a better person, to be a better mom. And most of all, natutuwa ako at napapasaya mo nanay at tatay mo. You're one of my chosen students and one of my best youth na nagagampanan ng duty bilang anak, bilang asawa. Although wala na I don't want to make you cry, but remembering your husband is not just an ordinary thing. I am happy for you that you're very good mom kay RD. Hirap na hirap magsalita si Granny, si Tita, si Ninang. Hindi man kapareho ng dati na malakas. Still, I would like to have a good time with you. Makasama kayo nila Linda, ni Arnold, and ang mga kapatid mo. And also, yung apo ko, kasi hindi ko pa naman siya nakasama at hindi ko pa siya nakausap ng matagal. But I'm very happy for you sa mga dinadaanan mo sa trabaho, dinadaanan mo sa buhay. And you're a very good struggler. And I'm so happy for you na matibay ka. I want you to continue being matibay, being strong, being happy, and wag naman ikagagalit ni RD. Ay, ni Rodi. Someday you may also find another love or another partner, pero as of now it's better this way na mag-isa ka muna, masaya with the sun, with your work, with your mom and dad and your brothers. Natutuwa ako at mas close kayo ngayon kaysa noong mga bata kayo. Sige, I only have good hopes for you sa birthday mo. Hopefully na makamove on ka ng maayos. And also, hindi ko napanindigan yung pag-makeup ng bongga, diba? Anyways, I just want to let you know that you're still one of my favorite anak and also my favorite student. Very diligent ako at that. Continue to be a good daughter, a good mom, and most of all, a very productive worker. And may your birthday be more happiest, and makapag-strive ka pa ng mas magandang lifestyle. Bye and happy birthday. O, yun si Anya. Happy birthday, tita. Okay, happy birthday, tita. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Arnie, happy birthday. Wish ko sanang maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa'yo and good health. Laban lang kahit anong problema ang dumating. Mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Ivy.
Happy birthday.
Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at ma-enjoy mo ang lahat. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Tita Arnie. Sana po maraming birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Mahal na mahal po namin ikaw. Happy birthday!
Hi Insan, happiest birthday to you. And I know that the people surround you are so blessed to have you, especially Tito, Tita, and RD. So I wish you nothing but always the best for you, because I know you deserve everything that's worth. You deserve the happiness. So again, happy birthday to you and see you soon.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yan, birthday mo pala ni. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And God bless always. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss ko na kayo.
Hi ate, ayan, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Mag-iingat ka palagi, lalo na sa iyong pagdadrive araw-araw. Mahal kita bilang isa kong ate at tinuturing kong kapatid dyan sa school. Saludo ko sa iyo sa pagiging napakalakas mong isang magulang, ina't ama na ni RD at isang mabuting anak. Mahal kita ate, I love you, ingat lagi. Happy birthday!
Hello po, Mami Arnie. Happy birthday po. Stay kind, pretty, and healthy po. God bless you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday po.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pagdating mo sa ating mundo,
Happy birthday to
tatandaan,
you. Happy
di
birthday, happy
malimutan,
birthday, happy birthday to you.
kailanman ang saya ng mundo. Ngayon ikaw ay narito. I wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday. So, ayan na nga. Happy birthday sa'yo, aking matalik na kaibigan. Wala na akong mahihiling pa, kundi sana'y maging masaya ka sa araw-araw mong pamumuhay dito sa mundo. Enjoy mo lang ang yung birthday and sana palagi kang malakas at malusog para kay RD, para sa family mo. Mahal na mahal kita palagi, okay? Ingat ka lagi. Bye!
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday sis! Enjoy your day! Alam ko na isa ka sa napakabait na tao na nakilala ko at napaka-strong. Palagi pong mag-iingat. Love you po. At enjoy lang sa buhay. Ingat palagi kayo ni RD.
Si Dave po, by the way, happy birthday po. And sana muli tayo magkita sa darating na panahon. And soon to be, alam natin yan. And sana kilala mo pa kami and yung mga kapatid ko. And by the way, happy birthday and enjoy your birthday and more blessings to come. Salamat po.
Hi Ate Arnie, happy birthday. Stay healthy and pretty. I miss you. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Dragon! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day and catch up soon.
Happy birthday! Stay safe. I'll be here. We'll be here. Love you.